So let's go to task again. And I always go back to task just to make sure before I go to the next step that that task was successful. Because you don't want to just be pushing a bunch of tasks and end up failing, and you go back to task and you see 20 failures. Now I do have my border switch off site here. You can't really see it, but when we get to the transit part, I'll show you what it looks like on the. I'll slide the thing over so you can see it create the SVI and the BGP routing and all that good stuff. Yeah, and for you guys that want to run this in your lab, I told you like in the I think I said in the overview video, this node alone is 256 gigs of memory by itself in even G. So for anybody that thinks you're gonna run this on 10 gigs of memory, just get that idea out your head. That's not gonna happen. This thing needs 256 just for the start. Now, in even G, there is a stipulation here while I'm talking about it. If you were to do this outside of even G, you need SSD drives because the OVA file won't allow you to install it on non SSD drives. All right, so that's another caveat of trying to do this outside of even G. So this thing is doing a bunch of stuff behind the scenes, which is basically going to go in there and programmatically do all this. Now in the real world, this would be in its own separate box.